Wait.
But that's not called the devil monster. It's called the...
Alright, I got you.
You're voodoo dragon.
I don't want to go over there and
I'm a
do a
nipple
video.
monster.
Okay, let's go, guys. Guys, let's go.
Oh, okay. Come on, take his brain work like you never before.
Are you okay?
No, it sucked in and it went down my vocal cords.
Shoot the pilot episode of an extreme survival series. The premise of the show was to be dropped in remote locations, stranded for 7 days in various harsh wilderness environments, with no food, no crew, and no contact with the outside world.
Get in here.
Those skilled in outdoor survival techniques,
Wow, this sucks.
Tim could not have anticipated the challenge that would confront him in the Australian rainforest. These are
That was
his
pathetic.
tips.
So it's not. But continue. Get your burp out.
Anal!
Anal! Anal! There you go.
No, you're not, Tim.
Come on, Anal Jr.
Everyone, welcome to Stranded. I'm here in the Australian rainforest. Over the next week, I'm going to be sharing this environment with some of the most dangerous animals,
Look at your
plants,
bum bum.
reptiles, and downright
I know you
scary
look
creatures
at your bum bum.
you will
I
ever
didn't
see.
Ew, shut up.
Are you going to be in this competition?
It's 4 in the morning.
Are you going to be in this competition or is it going to be me and Anal?
No, I'm not an anal hole.
You're actually
I've got it, by the way. You want to see it?
What are you going to do?
It's like he's taking pills. Wait.
It's unbelievable. It's one of the most
Expansive.
beautiful places I've ever seen. And it's also why I'm only going to take what I need for my shelter tonight.
You should have started one of your spasms again.
What are you fucking doing?
Oh, why? I'm finishing all my coke and I can't even burn. Alright, he's out of it. Let's
Yeah.
go.
much I
You
have.
need something to keep the rain off.
You have a lot.
No, I wasn't you.
Okay, then you pour yours in there.
No, no! I can barely even burp with the amount I chug, man.
No, that's why we're giving it to Anal, so we can, me and Anal can do, because you can't even get your burp in.
Does the pot die on you?
Next time.
No, your nibs.
Yeah, I won again, so it's like 3 times.
Yeah, we're not gonna win her. Are those cats? Win her?
Oh, man. Okay, I'm just getting
Man, I'm
Final
blowing out
I'm
the smog
tired.
over here.
I'm not, I don't know how
It's crude, but it should
I
work.
probably shouldn't have been
I don't know why I'm
drinking
tired either.
Coke, because we've been drinking Coke for like ever.
Some of the rain off me tonight.
Doing cocaine over here. Ew.
You can only see it in the rainforest. And it is hot.
I'm not even done drinking because I started snotting.
I'm starting to feel it's been a while since I've had some food in my belly. So
I'm kidding.
the final part of this chocolate bun. And then I'm going to
No,
go
bro.
out so
Let's play it. How long is that?
before the sun goes down.
Come on, Anal. That was terrible.
Wow, that was a big burp, but it was all air.
But you don't get any more chance to stop wasting. There you go.
Oh yeah. What? Your face hole. I like your face.
Was mine louder or was yours louder?
Olivia, I don't even remember. Elaborate. What?
Was mine louder or was it Anal?
I was not listening.
I don't even remember yours.
I totally.
I think yours was the normal one.
Okay, whatever, nipples, whatever.
It's 3 to 1. Come on. Let's
My
not be
turn.
so upset.
My turn, Anal.
Alright, so check
Shut
this out.
up.
I'm out looking for food. And I come across these bones. On first inspection,
Ugh, ew.
definitely
I
human.
think you farted. I
We
did
know
fart
there are a lot of predators out here.
in my mouth. Nips.
Saltwater croc for one. It's huge.
Ooh. Wait,
Maybe a feral pig.
did you shart? No, I'm kidding.
Again.
You
so obsessed with that. Abomination.
Bart, you farted like when you burp.
Just fart in your eye.
Fart.
You think that.
What?
Check this out.
You fart if you put your bare butt against somebody's eye and fart. You can get pink eye.
Yeah, they kill the feces.
Diego, you're really smart.
All right, we're gonna reset and do that again.
Pretty much.
Remember, one of the things the Aborigines used to do was to use the tree bark, tree stumps, and underneath that
No, I'm
tree
not
bark
gonna
is
get a
where
burp
witchy
out of
birds
that.
hang out, and that's what I'm looking for right now.
Got all over my face.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna
Wait a
take
second.
some of this off here and see what we can do.
What's your problem? You're spilling it all over this thing. You just farted.
Basically, take one of these guys here.
I'm gonna give you a pink eye.
Yeah, it's kind of juicy. Kind of like it's like chicken and almonds.
I'll smother you.
Can we finish this, guys? Guys.
There's a good source of protein in these guys right here.
Okay.
Really that good.
Pillows.
All my burps are coming out the other end. Do you hear him? Man, I wish I could have done better. I think I could do it again.
Why do you have like a million pictures of ducks?
Original hunting trick.
Because they're
I like
cute.
ducks.
Very simply, put some sap on the end of a stick.
I want this like.
Is that your cat?
Around,
My mom.
comes back out.
Yep.
Stick in the sap.
She's on that tree. I was like, you're retarded.
Here comes back out, stuck in the sap.
Hey, Ashley, wanna fight?
We know there's an animal there.
What are you doing?
Right, so I'm just gonna stick it.
Okay, we're done. I won this. Like,